Paul Collar is with us today. Paul, another nice day.
It was very nice, and it was very bright this morning. I got into my car, and I've misplaced my sunglasses, and I was like blinded driving all over town today. It was very bright today.
Yeah,
very nice.
Drivers.
Temperatures were in the 30s today. Let's take a look at our statistics for the day, and we can see we got up to freezing today. Temperature 32, overnight low 15. The normals 26 and 11, records 55 back in 1961, negative 18 back in 1929. Harrison this morning, minus 19 degrees, Dousman at 8. Horicon was at 9 degrees. The morning lows across the nation shows that the coldest weather remained throughout Wisconsin and points to the north, sub-zero readings in Canada, and on the East Coast, temperatures were in the 60s in part of Florida. The highs today around the area reflected that, well, it warmed up nicely in Florida. We remained in the 20s and 30s, the 20s in northern Wisconsin, and the colder temperatures were out in the West Coast. Now, on national radar, we can see that we have a lot of stuff going on, but to our south. We have advisories out in portions of Texas and Oklahoma where they're getting some freezing precipitation and also some snow in West Texas. And heavy rain is falling in parts of Louisiana. 5 inches of rain has fallen in parts of Louisiana this evening. Now, also in the south central satellite, we want to notice that we have a low pressure system developing just south of Houston. Now, it's off the Gulf Coast right now, but it will be tracking up more towards the northeast as we get into this weekend. Now let's go back to 10 o'clock around here, and we can see that we were dominated by clear weather across the area. There are some clouds off in the plains. They're darker, but it's just a malfunction on the computer. They're not that intense. We don't have any big thunderstorms going on out there. And the latest satellite will show that the clear weather has remained across the area. Why? High pressure. It's currently in the Indianapolis area, and it is moving to the east. And because of that, we will get into some mild flows for the weekend as temperatures will soar into the upper 30s. By this time tomorrow, the map should look like this. We'll have low pressure in Mississippi taking shape. And if you're traveling tomorrow, you will notice that all the snow, the rain, will stay to the south. And I think maybe we'll get clipped by it on Saturday night. We'll see about that. It won't amount to much, though. Around the area right now, we have 28 at News 4 in Mitchell, 25 in Waukesha. The dew point is 20, humidity 72%. The winds are southwest at 8. Pressure is steady at 30.44 inches. The forecast for tonight, mostly clear, lows near 20. Tomorrow, some sunshine early, then increasing clouds, windy and mild, highs 35 to 40. Tomorrow night, mostly cloudy with a chance of a little light rain or snow, lows 25 to 30. And the outlook for Sunday, partly to mostly cloudy and continued mild, highs near 36. Getting into next week, we'll see that the mild conditions will remain, and maybe by Wednesday we'll see a little rain or snow. But I'm going to go out and look for those sunglasses because the way it's been going, geez, crazy. But it looks like basically mild weather with very little precipitation.
Well, good. Thank you, Paul.
Okay.
And we'll have more whatever right after this. Paul Collar is with us this evening. I cannot believe it. This is really boring.
I love it.
Not you.
But I mean, this type of weather, I'm going to get my golf clubs out.
Really?
Any day now. This is.
Better watch it still frozen.
We're going to have to get those tornado safety seminars kicking in pretty soon.
That's
the way
true.
the mild trend is continuing. Today in the area, temperatures were in the 30s, lower 30s, I should say. Freezing here at Mitchell, I should say. Temperature 32, 15 the overnight low. The normals were 26 and 11. The record's 55 in 1961 and negative 18 back close to the Depression years. And this morning, Harrison checked in at minus 19, Dousman at 8, Horicon at 9. And across the nation today, we had some very cold temperatures. Out in Colorado in the mountains, single figures. We were in the single digits here also. Sub-zero readings way up into Canada. I'm surprised I can even reach that high, but I'm managing. And the highs today across the nation, Well, go down to Florida if you want some real warm weather. They had temperatures in the 80s. And again, colder readings out west. Let's take a look at the radar around the nation, and we can see, well, we've got a bit of a mishmash down south. Look at this. They got rain, and they've got more rain, and they've also got snow. They've got advisories posted, winter storm watches, and they've also got a lot of junk, as we call it in the business here, sleet, rain, all kinds of stuff, making travel very difficult. Let's take a look at this on the satellite, and we can see that low pressure is developing just south of Houston, and it's going to be getting a little stronger. It's going to move up towards the northeast. It'll probably miss us to the south. We might see something out of it come tomorrow night. Let's go back to this morning, 10 o'clock, should we? And we can see the the sky cover was very clear around the area. Clouds up to the north. Currently, the situation shows that the clear skies are intact. The reason? A high pressure system, of course, centered in Indiana. And with that, we can see that as it moves off to the east, we're going to get into the southerly flow on its backside, and it's going to help keep things mild around here for the next few days, and it won't really increase our chances of precipitation much either. And then we can see that tomorrow, if you're traveling, the low pressure will be in Mississippi, and it's going to be moving up. Right now, it looks like it's going to be tracking far to the south of us, and so it should keep the precipitation further to the south. Some snow will develop with it, as well as a lot of rain, which they really don't need down here. And we will just keep our eyes on this come tomorrow night. Maybe a little bit. We'll just kind of get grazed by it. Around the area right now, we can see that temperatures include 28 here at News 4, 28 at Mitchell, 25 in Waukesha. The dew point is 20 degrees. Humidity is 72%. The winds are out of the southwest at 8. And the pressure is steady at 30.44 inches. The forecast for tonight, mostly clear, lows near 20. Tomorrow, some sunshine early, then increasing clouds, windy and mild, highs 35 to 40. Enjoy it. Tomorrow night, mostly cloudy with a chance of a little light rain or snow, lows 25 to 30. The outlook for Sunday is partly to mostly cloudy and continued mild, highs near 36. The look ahead, no major Arctic blasts, no panhandle hooks, nothing too exciting. And we'll get up to 36 maybe by Wednesday with a little bit of rain and snow maybe. It's early, but we'll see.
So that quiet pattern's going to continue. Now, what are you going to do when you grow up again?
When I grow up, I'm going to be a hockey player.
Oh,
no,
I thought you were going to go into broadcast.
Oh, well, maybe we'll see.
Thanks a lot, Paul.